Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. Maintaining an accurate inventory is important for any business, as it helps to ensure that the company has the necessary material and products to meet customer demand and avoid stock out or overstock. However, keeping track of inventory can be time-consuming and error-prone process, especially for those companies with large or complex inventories, right? So here are a few steps that the company can take to help to streamline their inventory management process. So I'm going to share 5 points here, right? 5 steps here. The first one is implement an inventory management system using a software or a system specifically designed to track and manage your inventory that can help to streamline the process and reduce error. Number 2, conduct regular physical inventory count. Regular taking physical counts of inventory can help to ensure that the inventory system is accurate and up to date. Number 3, set up a clear procedures for receiving, storing, and tracking inventory. So establish a clear procedures for these processes so that it can help you to ensure that your inventory is accurately tracked and recorded and accounted for, right? So number 4 is to use a barcode or RFID tag, right? Using these technologies can help you to make it easy to track your inventory, especially for companies with large inventory quantity, yeah? And the final point is to train employee on inventory management. So employee that can ensure your employee to understand and follow the procedures so that they can help to reduce a lot of errors and to improve their efficiency. Okay, so by following all these 5 steps and continuously to review and improving your inventory management processes, so that company can really help to reduce a lot of headache in managing their inventory and also improve overall efficiency and accuracy. That's all for my sharing in today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channels and turn on the notifications bell so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. Once again, my name is Vivienne. Have a great day and I see you in my next video.